Hi, I'm Simon from Sailing Britican, and we help people become more confident cruisers. Today, what I'm going to talk to you about is dinghy security. And here in the Caribbean, there is a little bit of theft, but it's not as bad as a lot of people make it out. What you want to do is make sure that your dinghy is more secure than the person's next to you. And if somebody comes to take a dinghy, they're going to look at yours and go, no, this is too difficult, and they might move on to somebody else's. What do we do to do that here on Britican? What they're after is this, the engine. They're not too bothered about the dinghy, but they want the engine. So what I have here is nice, big, strong chain, which is attached to the dinghy and attached to the engine. There's also, you can buy bars that go across here to stop these getting taken. Fuel tanks, if they can't get that, sometimes they go and take the fuel tank. And what we have here is some wires holding this to the boat, and they're attached here. And then the main one we have is a big thick chain attached to the boat here, and then it attaches to either the dock, but you want to attach it to something secure on the dock, like a cleat. This one is attached to the back of Britican at the moment. Let's recap. We attach the boat to something secure, we make sure the fuel tanks are all locked and secure, and we attach the engine with a chain to the dinghy. If they're very determined, of course they'll still take it. They normally just want to go quick, get in, get the engine and go. They'll have a hard job getting this one very quickly. Number two, when you go to the dock, you see someone's with a lovely name like TT, Tender 2, Britican, and then Axe to Britican. And that's not a good thing to do, because it tells the robber, the would-be thief, that you are possibly in the bar, in the restaurant, going shopping, and your boat is now at anchor, unattended. So they might think, oh, let's go. They might knock on the door, see there's no one there, then they've got a chance to go on. They have the time to take whatever they want. Instead of putting your name on the side of the boat, we have our name in the little anchor locker here. And it's got Britican, our whoa, nearly lost you, nearly lost Kim, and our MMSI number. So if someone does find it, they know where to contact us. Whoa, it's blowy today. Also, what you need to do is take the horsepower sticker off your engine, because the criminals are looking for 2-stroke 20 HP and up, and this one's over 20 horsepower, so I've taken that off. Sometimes people put on a lower sticker, like a 9.9 or something like that. A lot of people dent this up, paint it, make it look as old as possible, so they look at that engine and go, I don't want that one, that looks old and horrible. I don't think I could do that. So these are just scratches from well, when I've scratched it. You want to make sure it looks as though they don't want that engine, they'll look at something else. So number three, make sure that when you come back to the boat, if you have davits, you lift it onto the davits. If you're not going to do that, make sure that you secure it to something solid on your boat, like we have here. And some people put their dinghies up on the side with a halyard and secure it off to the side. That's great, but you've got to make sure that you still attach it by chain to the boat, because they can easily cut the halyard, drop it in the dinghy, and the thieves have got it. When you attach it to the dock, when you're going ashore, make sure you attach it to something that is solid, like a cleat. You can attach it to the cleat. Try not to put it on anything wood, because they can take it, but sometimes that's all you have to attach it to. So make sure that you attach it securely. Like I say, what you want to do is make sure that when the thieves look at your dinghy or look at your engine, they're going to go, oh, it's too much problem, it's too much hassle, too much problem to get hold of, and they go somewhere else. Hopefully they go away and don't take anybody's. If and when you take the engine off your dinghy and you attach it to the side of the boat, make sure you secure it and chain it to the side of your boat. Make sure you secure it at all times to something with a chain, and that's what you need to do. Please like our video and give us a thumbs up. If you would like more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, from a beautiful, windy bay in the Caribbean. Bye! Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you
Boop,
sure
boop,
that's it?
boop. You sound like Cinnamon.
What?
I just said you have a very nice pub on there, whispered it. Jeez, you spoilt it now.
I really didn't have a clue what you were talking about. Okay, you get in, and I'm gonna...
Oh. That's gonna be in it.
Oh, jeez.
It's blowing out here.
Okay.